Hello children, we are going to see about shortest distance between two lines. If two lines in space intersect at a point, then the shortest distance between them is 0. If two lines in space are parallel, then the shortest distance between them will be the perpendicular distance. That is, the length of the perpendicular drawn from a point on one line onto the other line. There are lines which are neither intersecting nor parallel. Such pair of lines are non-coplanar and are called skew lines. The lines which neither intersect nor parallel, which are called skew lines. Let's consider a cuboid in space. The line GE that goes diagonally on the upper plane and the line DB passes through one corner on the lower plane above A and goes diagonally. These lines are skew because they are not parallel and also never meet. By the shortest distance between two lines, we mean that the joining of a point in one line with one point on the other line so that the segment so obtained which is smallest. For skew lines, the line of the shortest distance will be perpendicular to both the lines. Distance between two skew lines. We now determine the shortest distance between two lines. Let L1 and L2 be the two skew lines. That means neither intersect nor parallel. Let L1 and L2 be two skew lines with equations R equal to A1 plus lambda into B1 and R equal to A2 plus mu into B2. S on L1 with position vector A and T on L2 with position vector A. Then the magnitude of the shortest distance vector will be equal to that of projection of ST along the direction of the line of shortest distance. If PQ is the shortest distance vector between L1 and L2, then it being perpendicular to both B1 and B2. The unit vector along PQ therefore be n cap equal to B1 cross B2 divided by modulus of B1 cross B2. So B1 cross B2 we can find using the determinants. Then we can write this as PQ, which is equal to D into n cap, where D is the magnitude of the shortest distance vector. Let theta be the angle between ST and PQ. Then PQ equal to ST into cos theta. Angle between two lines are cos theta equal to PQ dot ST by modulus of PQ modulus of ST whole modulus of PQ is D into n cap and ST is A2 minus A1, where S on L1 with position vector A1 and T on L2 with position vector A2. Then substituting the value of PQ and ST, we have modulus of PQ is D into n cap dot ST is A2 minus A1 divided by D into ST. N cap is B1 cross B2 by modulus of B1 cross B2. Substituting that, we get B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 vector whole divided by ST into modulus of B1 cross B2, the whole modulus of this. Then D equal to PQ, which is ST cos theta. The required shortest distance is D equal to PQ equal to ST modulus of cos theta. So D equal to modulus of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B1 cross B2. Writing this in Cartesian form, shortest distance between the lines are L1 equal to x minus x1 by A1, which is equal to y minus y1 by B1, which is equal to z minus z1 by C1, and L2 equal to x minus x2 by A2, which is equal to y minus y2 by B2, which is equal to z minus z2 by C2, which is modulus of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, the whole divided by root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. If the line intersect each other, then a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 vector, which is equal to 0. So in Cartesian form, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, which is equal to 0. Distance between two parallel lines. If two lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then they are coplanar. The lines be given by r equal to a1 plus lambda b1 and r equal to a2 plus mu into b2. Let S be a point on L1 with position vectors a1 and T be a point on L2 with position vector a2. As L1 and L2 are coplanar, if the foot of the perpendicular from T on the line L1, which is P, then the distance between the two lines L1 and L2, which is equal to modulus of TP. Let theta be the angle between the vectors ST and B, then B cross ST, which is equal to modulus of B into ST sin theta n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of the lines L1 and L2 and ST is A2 minus A1. Therefore, we get B cross ST is A2 minus A1, which is equal to modulus of B into PT n cap, since PT equal to ST sin theta. So modulus of B cross A2 minus A1, which is equal to modulus of P PT into 1. So n cap equal to 1. Therefore, distance between the given parallel lines D equal to modulus of PT, which is modulus of B cross A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B. Exercise 11.2, 14th question. Find the shortest distance between the lines r equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j plus k and r equal to 2i minus j minus k plus mu into 2i plus j plus 2k. So two lines are given. This is in the form of r equal to a1 plus lambda into b1 and r equal to a2 plus mu into b2. So using the formula, shortest distance between the two lines, b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 by modulus of b1 cross b2. Here r equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. So a1 is I plus 2j plus k, b1 is I minus j plus k, a2 is from the second line 2i minus j minus k and b2 is 2i plus j plus 2k. So using the formula, let's find a2 minus a1. So subtracting these two, 2 minus 1 I minus j and minus 2j which is minus 3j minus k and minus k which is minus 2k. Now we have to find b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2. So cross product can be found using determinant form ijk, the coefficients of ijk 1, minus 1 and 1, 2, 1 and 2, expanding along the first row, I into minus 2, minus 1, minus j into 2 minus 2 plus k into 1 plus 2, minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k. So to find the magnitude of this modulus of b1 cross b2, which is minus 3 whole square plus 3 square, so 9 plus 9, 18, which is 3 root 2. Now we are going to substitute this in the formula shortest distance between the given lines, which is equal to modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by modulus of b1 cross b2, which is equal to I minus 3j minus 2k dot minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k divided by 3 into root 2. So I dot I minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3, 0 into 3 is 0 and minus 2 into 3 which is minus 6 divided by 3 root 2, which is minus 9 by 3 root 2. So modulus of minus 9 by 3 root 2 is 9 by 3 root 2. Cancelling this we get 3 by root 2. So rationalizing this, the shortest distance between two lines are 3 root 2 by 2. 15th question. Find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 7 which is equal to y plus 1 by minus 6 which is equal to z plus 1 by 1, x minus 3 by 1 which is equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 which is equal to z minus 7 by 1. So using the Cartesian form we are going to find the shortest distance between two lines. In Cartesian form the lines will be x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 which is equal to z minus z1 by c. For the second line, x minus x2 by a2 which is equal to y minus y2 by b2 which is equal to z minus z2 by c2. So a1 is the point x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1, which is minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. So a1 vector is minus I, minus j, minus k, and b1 is 7i minus 6j plus k. For the second line, a2 is 3i plus 5j plus 7k, and b2 is I minus 2j plus k. So first we will find a2 minus a1. Substitute the values in the formula. We get the shortest distance between the lines. So a2 minus a1 is subtracting these two. 3 minus of minus 1 which is 4i. 5 minus of minus 1 which is plus 6j. 7 minus of minus k which is 8k. Then b1 cross b2 using the determinant form I, j, k. Then the coefficients of I, j, k. So 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 2 and 1. So when I expand along the first row, I into minus 6 plus 2 which is minus 4. Minus j into 7 minus 1 which is 6. Plus k into minus 14 and plus 6 which is minus 8. So we get minus 4i, minus 6j, minus 8k. Now we are going to find the modulus of b1 cross b2, which is square root of minus 4 whole square plus minus 6 whole square plus minus 8 whole square, which is equal to 16 plus 36 plus 64, which is root 116, which is equal to 2 root 29. Now we are going to substitute the values in the formula to get the shortest distance. a2 minus a1 is 4i plus 6j plus 8k. Dot b1 cross b2 is minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k whole divided by 2 into root 29, which is equal to 4 into minus 4 minus 16 plus 6 into minus 6 minus 36, 8 into minus 8 which is 64 divided by 2 root 29, which is equal to minus 116 by 2 root 29. Cancelling this we get 58, which is 58 by root 29. So rationalizing this we get 58 root 29 by 29. We get 2 into root 29 units. So shortest distance is 2 into root 29 units. Thank you, children. Let L1 and L2 be two skew lines with equations r equal to a1 plus lambda into b1